Reliable GNSS ensures precise positioning, navigation, and timing, which are essential for safety and efficient operations in our world today. But this is now at risk as cyber attacks on GNSS, called spoofing and jamming, are skyrocketing. While jamming blocks the GNSS signal, spoofing results in a fake position, with over 40,000 attacks every month worldwide on regular flights alone. These invisible threats compromise flights, drones, shipping, and even self-driving vehicles, creating massive risks with potentially catastrophic outcomes. That's where NAVSentry changes everything. NAVSentry is a unique automated solution that leverages existing mobile network infrastructure to monitor and detect GNSS interference and disruptions in real time. NAVSentry uses mobile network operator (MNO) data to analyze and identify spoofing or jamming incidents and its locations as they happen. This makes the system highly reliable, scalable, and cost-effective, building on infrastructure already in place utilizing GNSS receivers. NAVSentry utilizes mobile network information to process a live digital twin of the GNSS signal's performance. It detects issues, maps affected regions, and even identifies the characteristics and locates the source of the attack. The moment a disruption occurs, NAVSentry sends instant alerts to flight management, UTM platforms, or mission control systems, enabling swift action to avoid danger zones and prevent accidents. With NAVSentry, you protect critical operations, avoid danger zones, and assure safety and business anywhere, anytime. As GNSS disruptions grow, don't wait to act. Secure your skies and systems today with NAVSentry.